What is the data flow feature in Qlik Cloud? When do I use it and how do I use it? Let's dig in. Data flows are a data transformation tool that lets users load, manipulate, and then store data by dragging blocks onto a canvas and then connecting the blocks together. It's a no-code, sometimes low-code tool that lets you prepare your data visually rather than relying on Qlik scripting. Data transformation steps happen sequentially, out of one block into the next block, all of them connected. All the transformation steps can be viewed as automatically generated Qlik script at any point. Data flows share similarities and differences with the other data transformation options in Qlik Cloud. For example, data flows aren't used to produce visualizations like sheets or charts, nor are they used for creating apps or reports. Data flows are used only to load, transform, and then store data. The data load editor and Qlik scripts are a tool used for data manipulation, but they rely on the use of Qlik scripting entirely. Table recipes are another Qlik Cloud tool for manipulating data using a visual interface with sequential transformations and the ability to output Qlik script, but it can only be used to transform a single table. The data manager allows users to use a visual interface for transforming data, but those features are limited compared to data flows and are not necessarily done sequentially. Qlik Cloud automations are similar in that data flows also use a canvas with blocks that are connected to perform sequential and dependent tasks, but automations are intended more to integrate and automate Qlik assets and settings rather than data. Data flows are for folks who need to transform data. Data flows can be used for simple ELT use cases and created by savvy business users, or they can be used for more complex scenarios with many data sets and advanced logic, and therefore created by report builders, data analysts, or data engineers. The data flows feature is available in all versions of Qlik Cloud or Qlik Talon Cloud as of the time this video is posted. What are some of the key features of data flows? You can add multiple data sources into a flow. You can set workflows to run on a schedule just like apps and table recipes. You can preview the data as it exists in each block of the data flow along the way. If you need to, you can still use Qlik scripts or table recipes within your data flow by using special blocks. Finally, you can store the transformed data in Qlik Cloud or externally, like in a data warehouse or an S3 bucket. And there you have it. That was a rundown of the data flows feature in Qlik Cloud. If you want to find more videos, how-tos, and discussion with other Qlik experts about Qlik and Talon topics, join the ARC Academy for Qlik, a community on school.com created by ARC Analytics. Just click the link in the video or go to school.com and search for ARC Qlik. See you next time.